Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change text in Google Docs from uppercase, lowercase, or title case. Let's get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is go to Format. Once you have done that, click on Text. Scroll over and scroll down to Capitalization. Once you've done that, you will see three options: lowercase, uppercase, or title case. If you want lowercase, meaning if you want all common letters, then you click on lowercase. If you want uppercase, meaning all capital letters, then you click on uppercase. You can choose title case if you want the first letter to be capital and the rest of the letters to be common letters. The next thing you want to do is highlight your text and then choose the option that you want. That's it for now. Thank you guys so much for always tuning in. As always, I hope you have learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.